Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, India's missile arsenal poised for growth. As 2023 drawn to close, India's missile arsenal stands poised for further expansion in 2024 this year, with a consistent record of both public and classified tests throughout the year. DRDO is gearing up for more trials and potentially unveiling game-changing technologies. Next, Archer NG to get 2-engine options. ADE is gearing up for the next chapter in its unmanned aerial vehicle program with the upcoming Archer NG. This indigenously developed weaponized medium altitude long endurance promises to be a game changer, offering advanced capabilities for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, tracking and reconnaissance missions, and even venturing into strike roles. Next, Israel offering local manufacturing of Heron Mk II UAV. Following the closure of India's Tapas medium altitude long endurance program due to technical shortcomings, Israel Aerospace Industries has stepped forward with an offer to locally manufacturing its Heron Mk II unmanned aerial vehicles in collaboration with HAL. This proposal comes in the wake of IAI's successful supply of Heron Mk II UAV to the Indian Air Force and the growing emphasis on indigenous manufacturing in the defense sector. Next, launching of world's first precision formation flying mission. In a significant collaboration, India is set to launch the European Space Agency's pioneering Proba 3 mission in September 2024. This ambitious project is poised to become the world's first precision formation flying mission, featuring a pair of satellites meticulously designed to function as a large, rigid structure in the expansive realm of space. Next, India and Mauritius to build small satellite. In a historic move, India and Mauritius have joined hands to develop and launch a small satellite within a swift 15-month time frame. This ambitious project, approved by the Union Cabinet, marks a significant step forward in the two nations' space collaboration. ISRO and the Mauritius Research and Innovation Council (MRIC) will spearhead the joint endeavor, with India bearing the estimated cost of rupees 20 crore for the satellite realization. Next, golden opportunity for Pakistani refugees in J&K to join ISF, that is Indian Security Forces. Since the 1947 partition, the historical backdrop of conflict between India and Pakistan has shaped a perception of the latter as a consistent adversary. From the wars of 1947, 65 and 71 to the Kargil conflict and ongoing terrorist incidents in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan's involvement in various hostilities has contributed to a strained relationship with India. However, amidst the historical context, there is a surprising development that sheds light on the inclusivity within the Indian security forces. Recent notifications from the Staff Selection Commission, that is SSC, bring attention to the opportunity for West Pakistan citizens residing in Jammu and Kashmir as refugees to join the Indian security forces. This revelation challenges the historical narrative, presenting a more inclusive approach. Next, XPoSat, launched on January 1st, is doing very well. ISRO Chief S. Somnath on Friday said that PSLV XPoSat, launched on January 1st, is doing very well. Mr. Somnath was speaking to reports on the sidelines of the convocation of the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, JNTU, in Hyderabad. He was conferred the Doctor of Philosophy by the JNTU during the convocation. Next, Indian Navy rescues all 21 crew of hijacked vessel off Somalia coast. After a high-voltage drama in the high seas, all 21 crew members, including 15 Indian nationals from the hijacked vessel MV Leela Norfolk off Somalia coast, were safely evacuated by the Indian Navy on Friday. Indian Navy's swift response to the hijacking attempt of MV Leela Norfolk in the North Arabian Sea, all 21 crew on board safety evacuated from the citadel. Sanitization by Marcos has confirmed absence of the hijackers, the Indian Navy said in a statement. Thank you.